Alright, we're here today at Wood Rill Scientific and Natural Area, a significant forest preserved for all to enjoy. So that's what we're here today, folks. We're here to enjoy this preserved forest. It is a beautiful 66 degrees. It is very wet out. It rained all day, but it's not raining anymore. It could, I guess. But we're not going to worry about that. We're going to hike this 2.5 mile loop around Wood Rill Scientific Nature Area and see what we can find. There were some deer in the parking lot here when I pulled up, so that's a good sign. Off to a good start. All right, let's go. Alright, check this out. I don't know if you saw my other video when I went to Baker Park. We used my Seek app to identify these as nickernuts. And here's a whole bush. Alright, so there's a cool sign here. It explains a cool process called succession, which so that this area here, you can kind of see an indentation in the ground here that looks like it used to be a lake or a swamp, it says. And over hundreds of years, the plants that are growing here die and end up filling the swamp up until it becomes more and more solid, until it eventually just grows over, which becomes a black ash forest, is what it's called. Very interesting. Yeah, I wouldn't have noticed it otherwise, but since they mentioned it, you can see a nice circle ring indentation in the ground here. It was obviously a swamp here. That's really cool. Here we are at a long lake. There's something moving in the water out there. I don't know what that is. Is it a turtle? Awesome. It has just started sprinkling or drizzling, whatever you want to call it. Gorgeous out here. Look what I found. A teepee. Alright, so I found a log to sit on in front of this pond. Gonna take a short break, we're about halfway through. Not that I really need it, it's only 2.5 miles. It's just a gorgeous spot to sit. Alrighty, back at the car. So, it was a great hike. It was 2.7 miles. Again, it's like 65, 66 degrees, so it's, you know, it was awesome, especially for November. This place was great. There was a lot of trails. There were a lot of trails that just meandered off this way and that. It would be fun to come back in the summertime and explore them when there's more tree cover and undergrowth and some. That was one of the downfalls. There was a lot of houses in the area, so I had a lot of houses I could see through the trees. But like I said, in the summertime, probably couldn't see them. But it was a great hike. I liked it here. It was a great atmosphere. Not a lot of people. I only passed like 1 or 2 people. There was some strange guy was practicing his scream yelling. I don't know. It was kind of annoying, but got to see the Long Lake. That was pretty cool. This park connects to a couple other state trails. That's Loose Line State Trail. There's the other Minnetonka Loop trail system that it connects to, so plenty of options. Yeah, I liked it here. I'll have to come back here in the summertime and explore more of those trails. But check out next episode on next Monday. Happy trail backpacking.